Not everybody has all of the benefit of the 20th century. There are homes that don't have public water. So if they don't have a well that is adequate or is safe, they have no choice but to haul water. So they'll load a 250-gallon tank in the back of a truck and haul it to somewhere where they can fill that up with water. Once they fill that up with water, they have to haul it back home and then offload it somehow, in some means to get it in a position where they can use it.
A lot of our residents just don't have access to good, reliable water. So I have been very impressed by the efforts of the state to step up and say, here's what we can do for you.
As long as the legislature continues to see the value in H2 Ohio, and the governor clearly does, it's a top priority for him and has been for 5 years, we will continue to get these dollars out.
Grant money like the Ohio EPA H2O money it's an incredible benefit for these people out here.
Everybody in Ohio knows that Benton County has a water crisis.
Am I going to have to load everything up in the truck and go bring water in so that we can wash dishes?
You're conserving that resource, that precious resource that you had to haul.
It's an incredibly important necessity that so many people take for granted.